Yo, hello guys, welcome back to VloggerLapse. Hope everyone is doing well. So you guys may wonder what this video is about. But as you can see on the title itself, it's a regular unboxing video, nothing else. So that doesn't mean you guys to quit watching the video. But we are thinking what should we add to make it more interesting for you guys. So I am lacking in it. Aha, sort of sad, right? So why don't you guys comment what I can do for making the unboxing little more interesting? You can comment it down in the comment section since it's the only way to have a conversation with you guys. So let's jump into today's content. Mighty Thunderlord, please drop the mighty Tws Earbuds. Hail you my lord. So this is the Live 300 TWS model launched by Jbl Harman. As you see in the front of the box, the company given the buds picture along with the important highlights of the buds. So main features is given on the side of this side. Okay, as you see, it consists of main features like true wireless, ambient hour and talk through, voice assistant. Now, you guys may wonder what is ambient hour and talk through. Open up your ears and hear it what these are. Both the technology are designed for making us aware of the environment while hearing the music. So let's see what is ambient hour. It lets you hear your surrounding without passing your music. So there won't be any consequences in the environment while you listen to your music. So what is talk through? While talk through lets you speak with those around you without removing your buds while listening to the music. So that was cool, right? Yes, it is. It also has a Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa built in. As you can see, Alexa is built in and it is a Bluetooth technology. So speaking about battery, Jbl is giving 20 hours of battery. Once the bud is fully charged, we can use it for 6 hours and we can use another 14 hours with the help of the case while charging it. On the back side, we can see the buds with Jbl logo. As you see, this is the buds, this is the left bud and this is the right bud of the Jbl TWS. See, these are the logo of the Jbl which is engraved in the buds. Other less features which are we can instantly access the voice assistants, hands-free stereo calls, ambient aware and talk through technology just through a swipe in the buds, and it is as wet and water resistant. It is a Bluetooth 5.0 technology. And a 10-minute of charge lets you use 1 hour of music. Coming to the price range, the MRP is 11,999. But in Amazon, the current price right now is 8,000. If you guys wish to buy the buds right now, you can just check through my description for a link. I will post a link of the Amazon's bud. So coming to the color, it has 3 colors which is a black, which is this one, and which is a blue, and another one is a white. White is rarely available. On the side of the box, they gave us like a Google Assistant and Alexa thing. Also along with it, they will give us a 6 extra buds for our convenience of wearing the buds. Let's dive into the unboxing of the buds. So here there is a strap given on, so you just slide it out. So it comes out, so it's just a cardboard. And see, they gave a premium case, so you need to flip it off. And as you can see with the protection of some plastics, they gave the box of the buds. So let's keep that aside. And opening this thing, so they gave some manuals of how to pair with our phone. So here, so I guess these are the accessories and bud sizes, different bud sizes given. So yeah, these are the different bud sizes they gave with our Alexa, and this is a small C2 USB charge for charging the case of the buds. So nothing else in this. And opening this up, so yes, so here is our buds. So there is nothing else in here. So as you can see, this is the buds. Let me take that out for you guys. So these are the buds. It is quite small, yeah, not too big and not too small. It is medium of range, and as you see here, these are, it indicates this R, so it's a right bud, and L, it's a left bud. So these are the straps, buds given for it to like keep it protective with our ears. So let's keep that aside and see what are the things they give in the manual. So these are the controls of Alexa. So as you can see, you can just by swiping the left earbuds, you can instantly access talk through or ambient aware. So one touch, long press makes you like Alexa or Google Assistants can pop up. And on the right bud, if you tap one time, it is play or pause. If you tap twice, it will change the music. If you tap three times, it will go for the previous music. And one tap plus if you hold for 2 seconds, the Bixby or Siri, which is like with Siri will or Google Assistant will come on. And swiping of the right one, right bud makes us like increase or decrease the volume of the buds. So let's see what is inside the box. So they are giving some pamphlet. So let me open it. So it's a big one actually. So it's just say to how to use your Google Assistant and to set up your Google Assistant in the front side, and then the back side they are stating how to set up Amazon Alexa with our bud. So that's what this pamphlet says about. And what is this about? So yeah, it's from Google Assistant. So how to set up through Google Assistant. That's it, small one. And what this one is about, some precautions how to use and set the Alexa earbuds. And coming to here, it's the warranty card given in different languages. So warranty card, and their information is given in this book, small book. And so what is this? These are all Chinese, I guess. I don't know what it states. And there is another big pamphlet. Oh, it is really big. So in this, it's a quick start guide, and they are saying that what's in the box. They say they are giving there is one charge case, 2 buds, and excess small, medium, large type of protective things, and 3 size of small, medium, large buds, along with a charger and manuals of it. So how to wear, they are giving some information about it. So first time use, power on and pairing, power off, manual, button command. What are the button commands? They all given neatly in the pamphlet. So how to charge, and what are the LED behaviors that the buds is showing, the case is showing. So yeah, let's see about the how to pair this with our mobile phone. It's quite easy. You just take your phone and you just open the buds. Okay, let's go to Bluetooth, and you just turn on the Bluetooth in your phone, and you just open your AirPod. So there it is, it's showing JBL Live 300 TWS. You just click it, and that's it got connected. So now you need to, like, if you want to use only one bud, you can just like use it in your you can wear it in your with your ear, or just you can, if you want both the one to be paired with it, you can use it two as well. So that's how you connect with it. Also there is an app for your mobile phones, which you can get it in App Store as well as Android Play Store. So you just go to App Store, JBL. So this my JBL headphones, so that's the app. So it lets you customize what are the things you can do in your for your mobile buds. For like, if you want to customize your swipe things, you can customize with it with this app. So also you can select what type of model you are holding. You just need to sign up and you can do those stuffs. You can customize your own earbuds. But the customizing, it's not it has very minimum amount of options, so you can't customize on your own. They will give you like 2 to 3 options. In the 2 to 3 options only you can customize. So just keep this aside and let's see. Like the charging cable is maybe 1 meter long, and it is a good color. It comes in a good color, which is a red, and you can see. So this is USB to C type for charging the cable. This one goes to a power bank or charger adapter, and this one goes to through here. Yes, so that's how you connect it. While charging, you will get a red notification or like this for get whether it's charging. It will the red while charging, the red light will be constant, and if the red thing is blinking, it is about to say is it's the battery is too low. Okay, so that's how you get to know how the battery is whether my thing's battery is low or not of the case actually. And see, these are the types of buds, like different size, medium, large, and this thing is according to your protectiveness, whether you are running or thing. You just like you can switch it and you can actually really good. The sound quality is also is good. The bass and treble, we can control our own settings with the help of the app. So the help is also useful, and by seeing the buds, it is little bigger for me. And so these are all touch screen. It's not even a button. So these are all like, it's a good one actually. And it has a sensor, so whether you are sensing whether the ear is sensed, then only it will play the songs. It's like that. And if in case you lost your one bud while running or somewhere, you can even make this particular bud which is lost to make some noise so that you can easily found. But that it's kind of a buzz sound which you can, it is not too loud, but it is quite good actually. For if you lost it, you can find it using the sound. If the environment isn't too noisy, you can easily find it. So, and according to the charge wise, yeah, it is doing its thing good. For this price range, yeah, it has 4 mics, also the TWS and ambient through, talk through, all are little good actually. It's not a little good, it's actually quite a nice technology which they have given in this price range. And so that's what you can surely go for it. If you want to spend for 10,000, you can go for it. Yes, also like while buying this, you just buy another thing, which is the case of the case for this pouch. It is a fiber thing, so if it falls down, so it will easily get broke. So this thing, which I bought for 350, I guess. So it's like you just wear it like this, so it just does it. So it's just protecting the thing well, and the dust, it is not also leaving the dust inside it. So I will let the link of this case along in the description. So if you guys want to buy it, you just have check in and you can click through it and buy the links. So as for now, that's the end of my video. So have fun, be safe, peace out.